get ready to learn about the best free tool for Poshmark resellers. We're gonna dive in. I'm gonna show you everything that this Flyp tool offers for you, how to use it, and at the end, I'm gonna show you how to set up your account. All right, so when you create your account for Flyp, it'll look a little something like this when you are logged in. And as you can see already, you have a cross-lister tab, a sharer tab, an orders tab, an analytics, and this is that referral program. So this cross-lister tab is pretty cool. So what you'll do is you'll hit add item, and you can see right here there's a universal form, and this is where you'll upload your images, fill out all the basic information, and then you could simply edit it for each platform that you hook up. So you do the work once and publish it. Now, I have not ventured into cross-listing yet. I am solely on Poshmark right now, but in 2024, mid-year, I am looking to start cross-listing on eBay, but I want to make sure I master Poshmark first before I go to eBay, because I know that is a whole another beast. So if you are already someone who is on multiple platforms, then this would be awesome for you. Then the next tab is the Sharer tab. This is the tab that I utilize the most. I made a video about bulk sharing on Poshmark. If you want to learn how to bulk share, I break everything down in this video. Now, the other tabs you can see, there's so many other options that it allows. It has auto offers. I love the auto offers feature because every time someone likes an item, it will send an automatic offer for you. Now you can see you can set the time. You can send it 5 minutes after, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I've been testing out different times to send, different percentages, different discounts, and you can see how customizable this is. So down here, if you have an item that is below $7, I don't want an offer sent to it. And you can choose your limit. If it's below $20 for you, you don't want it to send the offer, then put that as the limit. So this really lets you do that, and you just hit start. And once it starts, it will automatically start sending offers 5 minutes after someone likes it, and which is why I have it set at 5 minutes. If I had it set at 10 minutes, it would send the offer 10 minutes after. Bulk offers is also very cool. Instead of just the single offers, you can send bulk offers. I personally only use the bulk option feature through Poshmark, but if you want to use it through here, you can totally do that. Then you have your followers. You can follow a certain amount of people a day. I like to follow about with 1,000 for each for fresh closets and just joined users. When you hit start, then everything will start tracking. So then you have community shares, and you can see here you can have shares and followers or just shares. I do both. And then you can also do the share count per closet. I've done 3, I've done 5. Right now I'm doing 10 shares per closet. Then you can pick your date range. You can go back all the way back to beginning of time when you were doing it and share all of the people items that have followed you or done shares for you. So you pick your date range. Then you can choose the speed. Do you want it to share fast, medium, slow, or sloth? I choose to go for the medium range. Fast would share 2 to 4 seconds. Slow does 15 to 30, and sloth does 60 to 120 seconds. I personally like to stay with the 5 to 10 second range. And then you simply just hit start. And then this next tab is the connection tab. This just shows that I'm hooked up to Flyp. Then what you do is you can come to your activity log, and then you can see all the activities that it's done. You've done a total of 2,580 shares today. These are the amount of followers I've done, and I have sent 0 offers today. Then you can see over here that it solved the CAPTCHA 7 times. And then this activity log shows you, well, my closet's been sharing. It also shows that it's been community sharing, and it breaks down and shows me who it's followed, whose listing it shared, which is very cool to see that it is working. I would recommend while you are doing this, and it recommends as well, to make sure your computer does not go to sleep and that you also leave the Poshmark tab open so that way it can continue to run in the background. So everything is set up now on automation, and I can go do other things that are important like listing or photographing or setting up for a live show instead of doing these tasks. The next tab is the Orders tab. The Orders tab lets you track active orders, pending shipping, shipped, completed, and canceled items. And as you scroll down, you can see what's pending, what's been shipped, and then also what has been completed. Now, of course, you can see up here, you can connect Mercari and eBay, and I do not have those connected because I don't have accounts for that and sharing on that. But if you do, then it would be awesome for you to connect and you can keep track of everything. Now onto the Analytics tab. The Analytics tab only shows if you are using the Cross Lister tab over here. Since I am not cross-listing and uploading items onto here, I will not be able to see any data. But if you are cross-listing and upload onto the cross lister, you'll be able to see all of the data on here, which would be really cool to see. So I'm really excited to do this next year and see this Analytics tab. And now for the referral program. If you share this with someone and they sign up and start using it, you get a $10 Amazon gift card. If you would love to support this channel, use this referral link. You can type it in, or you can go into the description below to click it to sign up. And I'm actually going to show you here exactly how to set up your account. All right. So when you type in my referral code or click the link below, what it'll do, it'll bring you to a page that looks like this. And then what you'll do is you will use it now for free. And then you will hit join 100% for free. And then it'll bring you to this form that you will fill out. Let me just fill out a form. I'm going to do since I already have an account, I'm kind of going to do one of my other emails that I have just to show you the process. And you enter the email. Then you will enter your phone number in as well. And then it'll say you're in. Check your inbox for your login information. Let me go to my email. And then in your email, it should pop up, log in, free cross-lister and share tool. If you don't see in your inbox, I would look in your spam folder. When you open it, you'll see exactly what you need to do to set it up. For your desktop or laptop, this is not mobile, you go to this link right here. And then you use your login credentials and they will give you a password to log in. So I will click this link they gave me and I will enter the email I used to create the account. And then I will put in the password that they provided for me as well. Then what it'll do, it'll be connecting to your accounts. It'll connect to my Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, Facebook, etc. Now, what I'm going to do is I don't want this to connect to it just because I already have it connected to my other account. You want to make sure you are logged in on your desktop to these accounts, Poshmark, Mercari, Facebook, Etsy, etc. So that way it connects for you. Now you can also download the free Chrome extension, which I did on my other desktop. And then once you log into your Flyp profile, I went back to the one it was actually on. You'll see something like this. And then just to check your settings, you can come here and go to account connections, and this will let you know exactly what is connected and what is not connected. Eventually, when I do start cross-listing on eBay, I'll simply connect this account. All right, so now that you learned everything about Flyp, I hope you are as excited as I was when I discovered this. I was like, oh my God, this is amazing. So if you're as excited as I was, let me know in the comments. If you're like mediocre about it, let me know in the comments. I want to know why.